Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we have our Ipsy video today. Before I give you your spoilers, we're going to go ahead and play the intro. So spoiler number one is going to be what the bag looks like. I know y'all hate when I use my phone because you can't see it, but here are the bags. Let's let this get in focus. They're silver. It looks like it might have like a navy stripe on it. This is regular, plus, and ultimate. They're cute. Then we're going to go ahead and go with spoilers. I do not get the ultimate box. I don't see a point in it right now. I have way too much makeup as it is. But there is a 3 Skin Cryo Activating Hydrogel Morphe Hi-Fi palette, which is amazing. Here's a picture of those. I have one. I would pull it for you, but I don't know where it's at. And this is the skincare. And then for the regular glam bag, we have a ton of spoilers. They're actually on Ipsy's website. There's lipsticks, there's Tarte blush, highlight, or no, that's eyeshadow, skincare, brushes, all kinds of really cool stuff. Something to also remember with Ipsy is a lot of the time they rotate items. So I got Thrive Cosmetics a couple months ago. You may get it next month. There's no way to really know until it shows up because they rotate through things a lot. But what I'm going to show you today is the Glam Bag Plus. So we'll go ahead and jump in. This is the bag we got. They finally started sending bags again, so I got this leopard print bag with a tassel. Pretty decent size. All 5 items fit inside of it. Then we have this Hydrovel Elamiskia. Nobody knows. Skincare. Not going to use it on camera because my makeup's already done. But it opens. Actually, I don't know how this opens. Oh, like that. It's black. No, it's actually clear. The packaging is just black. It's like jelly. You touch it and it kind of, yeah. So, I don't know. Has an interesting smell. Oh, there went my spoon. I may try it eventually, but today is not the day. But I have heard good things about this, so definitely fun to get in here. And I'm pretty sure this is pretty expensive, so that's always good. We're going to close this up and put it to the side. The next thing we're going to look at is by Gigi Gorgeous. It's called the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo with Turnt and Extra in here. And it looks like this. So what I'm going to do, because this is a little too light, this is almost the right color, I'm just going to kind of mix these together and use them for bronzer and really hope for the best. I need to grab my mirror because I forgot. I'm set it up here and see what we can do about this face because we need some sculpting. That is something I did not do because I knew I needed to do it for the video. So I'm just going to mix them together, tap them off, and go ahead and go in and bronze my face up. It's not quite the color I prefer, but, well, in the camera it looks pretty bad, but in my mirror it looks okay. Blending kind of decent. I can live with that. Please keep in mind the camera accentuates everything. So I know it looks really dark to y'all, but in regular lighting, it's not nearly that bad. So we're going to go ahead and bronze around our forehead to make it look like a forehead, not a 5 head. And we're just going to do that. And then bronze away a little bit of our double chin down here and give us a jawline. Take the bronzer down here too. I find that that helps. Some people don't like it. Personal preferences. And then just lightly bronze the edges and the tip of my nose to shape that up a little bit. And now we're like a whole nother person. Okay, so now we have to get our highlighter. So what they sent was a Trestique highlighter. They sent a Trestique highlighter. It looks like this. You open it up, it's in here. It says it is an all-over Starlight powder stick. I think you can just like take it and rub like that. You definitely can. It's not what we're going to do though because, well, actually we might. I'm afraid that it'll lift my foundation a bit. But this is an ultraviolet, hence the purple makeup. I do have a plan most days. So we put it here, a little bit on each side. You can see that is way too much for me, at least for my personal preference. And then we will take our highlighter brush. It's a Morphe 501, that's my favorite, and blend it in so that it is not that intense. It's definitely still glowing, but it doesn't just look like a line of purple on my face now. So this is actually a really neat little product. You put it on, blend it out a little bit. You could probably do it just with your finger. That is definitely nifty. Okay, so the next thing we have, I'm so excited about. So this is a Stamp and Drag by Ciate London, and it was done by Courtney Act. Courtney Act is a drag queen, one of my absolute favorites. She is so fishy. I live for it. But I've actually used these in a lot of videos before. When I worked with Crate Finds, we had these. And mine are all kind of starting to dry out eventually. So I'm excited to get one. So you have your wing stamp here. And then you have your regular eyeliner here. So we are going to go ahead and put our wings on. So fitting that we have Gigi and Courtney in the same box. We're going to go ahead and put our wings on. And hopefully we can get them a little bit even. So you just stamp it like so. They're actually almost even, which is a shocker for me. And then you take the other end and you connect it up. So we are just going to take it and drag across. My eyeliner is going to be a little thicker than usual. Sorry if y'all can't see my eye very good. I'm trying to get this connected over. And just do it like so. I'm not the biggest fan of this formula on the actual eyeliner part, but the stamp works. The eyeliner is not terrible. It's a nicer black. With these stamps you will not get that like razor sharp wing. It just doesn't happen. I have used these a lot and they just aren't made for that, and I'm actually going to have to adjust mine with some concealer probably in a minute. But they just don't do that. But they are a good guideline to go by. They definitely help. And we're going to connect this one, and it actually came out a lot better on this side than the other one did. So these stamps are kind of hit or miss. Like this one's pretty nice. That one, I think really I screwed that up. So that's my bad. I won't blame the product too much. But these are a little difficult to use. They take practice. And personally, I haven't used one in quite some time. So I'm definitely out of practice. And I also just got eyeliner all underneath my eye, which is super cute. So I'm going to have to attack my eye a little bit. But we'll do that after the video. So then we have by Bella in Argent, a smoking on-screen lip color. Super pretty packaging. Opens like this. Please ignore my phone. I know it's going off like crazy. And this is the color. It's really pretty, but y'all know my gig. I don't really like regular lipsticks a whole lot. So I don't know whether or not I'll actually be wearing this today. But I'll put it on so you can see the color on camera. And go. Okay, so it's on not even at all, but I have a lot of issues with these bleeding on me. So I'm not a big fan of regular lipstick. But it's a pretty color. Not my thing, but if you're into that, it's nice. And yeah, so that is every product in this Ipsy bag. I like the eyeliner stamp, but as we can see, it's very, very easy to get out of control with it. The highlighter was nice, so was the bronzer. Yeah, so pretty much I guess that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. The bag is definitely worth it to me. I love my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I can't wait to film a video next month because the next box looks amazing. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, you guys.